Please don't make me think of it like you came with a defect. You talk to me dirty, I'm talking back like a replay.
Morning everyone, and mag-toursi naman kami ngayon. Day 2 namin. Sunblock? Parang nasa bag. Sige, mamaya na lang.
Is that your motorcycle?
No, we have another one here.
Weird naman ito. Okay! Our second tour for our trip ay Tour C. Papunta na kami ngayon sa my tour agency. Antayin lang natin and then bora na tayo. So, andun sila nili sa likod. Oh, slow. Okay. Mga 18 minutes ba, love? Ito yung parang 10 minutes lang papunta doon. Tama, so, pag pwede nyo maglakad-lakad na medyo malayo, carry nyo yan. Pero, ngayon, mas magandang mag-motor-motor talaga pag mga ganito. Ito na yung papasok ng port ng mga tour sa boat.
Barangay Maligaya.
Sa Barangay Maligaya, kaya maligaya ka palagi.
Oh.
Maghahanap kami ng parking ngayon. So sabi ni Kuya, sa may church daw. Kasi mga 9:15 pa naman ang start ng registration for tour. Mga 8 something pa ata, 8:40 pa ata. Tapos lalakad na lang ang papunta dun sa... Woo! Sila Nili. Hi, sis!
Island hopping cruise. So, nag-wait lang kami. So, joiner kasi itong sinamahan namin. So, kaya hihintayin namin yung iba. Kailangan mapuno to. 20 packs ata ang kasya sa isang boat. Ayan yung ibang tao. Ayan sila. Ayan.
Everybody, so can I have your attention for a while because I have a short briefing regarding to your tour for this day, ma'am and sir. Okay? So I would like to check your energy because all of you is we going to part of Torsi. Torsi, right?
Yes.
Torsi. Alright. So once again, everybody, good morning!
Good morning!
That's the energy, okay? Alright, so everybody, so welcome aboard. Welcome to El Nido, Palawan, ma'am and sir. And also welcome to the company Aqua Travel and Tours. And also welcome to our boat, Imbisay Alone Boat. By the way, everybody, so don't forget the name of our boat because there in the island there's a lot of same color of our boat and same size but a different name. Okay? So what's the name of our boat?
Alon.
Alone. Alright, alone in English, wave. Alone. Alone in Tagalog, wave in English. Alright, so by the way, everybody, so before we start my briefing, so I would like to introduce myself or here my companion or on the boat. Okay, so by the way, my name is Jay and I'm your tour guide for this day. What's my name again?
Jay.
Alright, since you are 22 person here on the boat, I have a partner tour guide. Say good morning to Tatay Naro. Good morning, Tatay Naro. And also, I have a 2 legendary lifeguards. Say good morning to Kuya Lister.
Kuya Lester.
Yeah, good morning, Kuya Lister. And also, good morning to Kuya Bal in the back. Yeah, and don't forget to our lovable captain.
Wow.
Say good morning to Captain and clap your hands to Captain Benje.
Okay.
Benji, para.
Just call me Captain Jack Sparrow, aka 69. Alright. So again everybody, so now, so let's talk about our itinerary for today. Okay? So again everybody, so all of you is we going to part of Torsi. Everybody going to part of Torsi. Everybody going to Torsi, right?
Yes.
Alright, so Torsi is we have a 3 island but we compose of 5 to 4 destination but depends the weather on situation. Okay? So our first stop is we're going to Cadlaw Island or Cadlaw Lagoon. So Cadlaw Lagoon, the activity of Cadlaw Lagoon is kayaking, ma'am and sir. Okay? So the price of kayak is good for 2 person is 300 pesos. And the price of big kayak is good for 3 person is 500 pesos, ma'am and sir. Everybody's clear?
Yeah.
That is our first stop, ma'am and sir. Okay? And our next destination is we were going to Helicopter Island, ma'am and sir. Okay? So do you know the Helicopter Island? That is the Helicopter Island. Because the shape of the island is look like a helicopter.
Akala ko ba?
But if you hungry, the shape of the island is look like a shape of fried chicken, legs of chicken. Tama ba? That is our next destination, okay? And our third stop, so this is my favorite place. Do you know my favorite destination or place? That is our lunch area. Okay, we were going to Talisay Beach. So Talisay Beach is located to part of Matinloc Island. Okay? And our fourth stop or last stop, we were going to, our highlights for today is Hidden Beach. So now it's hidden.
So guys, andito na kami sa Cadlaw Beach. Cadlaw Beach nga ba? Kasama namin ulit sila Dali, Nili at Klein.
Mababa dyan.
Ayun sila. Uy. Nakakangalay lang. Pwede ba ako mag-Indian seat? O kailangan naka-straight? Pakita ko lang yung place. Ooh, ang ganda! Uy, ang ganda mag-pictorial dito sa gilid. Yun kaya hindi pwede mag-zoom kasi madaming eme.
Bilisan natin para makapag-pictorial tayo.
Yes! Okay, pictorial daw kami.
Andito na kami ngayon sa Hidden Beach. So ito nakikita nyo. Yan. Pakaganda yan. Oh. There oh. Ganda oh. Kari. Wala naman siguro. Ito sila dumaan kanina eh. Nandahan lang.
Ay, meron niya.
Underwater cave. Re. Oh, labas na kami. Gandaan ah.
Okay, baka yung niya. Doon tayo.
And we are now here sa Talisay Beach, our third spot for lunch. Okay, nagpe-prepare na sila. Oh. Yeah. This is our food.
I love it.
Look,